As you can see from outside, the strobes that are flashing in my bedroom. My brother Thomas is playing video games, but you can also see the strobes in my bedroom too. I'm in barefoot outside, standing in the grass. I think the strobes are sinking. That door right there leads to my bedroom. If you look through the window, you can see the strobes through the window. Let's get a better view. I'm going to stand here for a minute. Over here. I think the strobes are in sync. Yep, they are in sync. They're both flashing at the same time, the one on my kitchen table and the one on my kitchen counter. Now the strobes are not syncing anymore. Two of them are flashing at different terms. Yeah, I have them wired to strobe only. Basically, with the fire alarms going off, the horn would be sounding right now. But I have them wired to strobe only. My classic Spectre alert and my ceiling mounts classic Spectre alert. Thanks to those 9-volt batteries, that one over there is flashing through my window, and that one over there is on the kitchen counter. You can see it better than I can. All the strobes are in sync. I mean, they're not in sync. Let's see how far away I can see it from here. This is my whole backyard. Let me just climb up on this jungle gym that I don't use anymore. Yeah, you can see it from here. The strobe flashing through my windows. Okay, let me carefully get down from here. You can see better than I can. Yeah, they're flashing. Watching the strobes from what? My mom and dad's bedroom is up above me. I'm on the back of my house. Well, guys, how do you like that? Alright. Now, I can't believe I'm stepping in the mud. You can also see my apartment door. As you can see these through my door.
Turn the lights off, it's hurting my eyes.
Hold on. I'm almost done. Yeah. These strobes are not syncing right now. Here's my classic Spectre alert right here. And here is my ceiling mount classic Spectre alert. The horns are not sounding right now.
Where's the switch? Jonathan, please help me with this.
Okay.
Where's the switch?
Okay. The switch.
And hard drive.
I think you go back up. I think the switch is in the back. I don't know. Hold on. I'm almost done.